Blaster na egu another so.
Aye.
Eguba.
Enyangu yamfuanu no.
What's it?
Amfuanu no.
Me for na me also for penny way asem go ya make a chat we mood but meka. Me meti we me kum chacha me pa. Me de be hwe Ghana Blaster pa no. Me de be hwe pono. Dabi me de be Blaster pass me menya na hwe Ghana Blaster se me hwe Blaster na menya beef
pono Ghana pono na agroni pono
ebu dia na ope
out. But I don't blame Kum Chacha. We no go feel blame Kum Chacha. The other pastor said, is it Ghana Pono? Charlie. But he's just talking out of frustration. You know, we love Ghana Blasters. Every Ghanaian loves the Blasters. You can't say you don't love these Blasters. We are just saying that all those things out of frustration. Because we love the team so much that when they perform bad, it hurts us. That's why we say all those kind of things. So he's actually not going to watch for no at the end of the day. But we need to address it. The entire hierarchy of the Blasters, the GFA, the coach, the player, everybody. We need to address this thing. Because we are tired of the head. We are tired of the disappointment. And one person that needs to be addressed is Otoo Addo. The Blasters coach, Otoo Addo. He needs serious coaching. He's disappointing us so much. Look, this is a qualifier that we play for AFCON. Out of 6 games, we've lost 3 and draw 3. We are in the category of Eswatini, Madagascar, team that have never won a single match in the qualifier. On top of that, Otoo Addo playing against Niger in Ghana at Accra Sports Stadium, scoring an equalizer, and you got the guts to run to the pitch and go and celebrate. If you see a coach running to the pitch to go and celebrate, it's because maybe they score last minute winning goal that the whole technical team, the whole bench will run to the pitch to go and celebrate. But an equalizer, Ghana Blasters, the Blasters of Africa, playing against common Niger in Ghana, and they have to score us first. And we scoring the winning goal. Our coach has to run from the bench far to the 18-yard ball to go and celebrate. It is slow move of Otoo Addo. Slow cry. You watch the video.
That make me very uncomfortable. And we saw the way he ran onto the pitch to celebrate an equalizer against Niger. Again, with all due respect, it was an equalizer. And the manner in which he rushed onto the pitch, this is a man under huge pressure, getting the help he needs from those above or those who appointed him. And then we saw at the press conference, Monica.
Oh, Yawakra. But why is he even celebrating? Equalizer against Niger in a qualifier that we are almost out of. Not almost, we are out of. Whether we win the game or not, we are out. So why are you celebrating? Running to the pitch to celebrate what? Coach, our check after. Yeah, you are tense on and off the pitch. A coach, you are supposed to give confidence to the players. But no, for you, before they play the game, when they are playing the game, after the game, Otoo Addo is tense. Like, what's going on? You need to give, as a player on the pitch, watching my coach like that, I will not have any confidence. Like the match self, I can't have the confidence to win that match or to perform better. Even after the game, just after the game, your press conference with the journalist, he almost cried. The reaction, public, how to talk in public is a learning, is a whole game on its own. It's not just about coaching. You need to master it as well. We know different people have different ways of reacting when they are being asked. But as the coach, you have to sit up and know how to react in terms of, winning game, drawing game, and as well as losing the game. Look at this.
You played with a blend of local and foreign players during your time, and the Black Stars were superb. If you happen to stay, because it's my personal duty, make sure you start the best local player like that into the Black Stars. So Jerry Afia today, but if you shouldn't get to stay, start the best players in the league, blend them. Forget
You see, can this give confidence to players? Come on. I'm not sure Otoo Addo is the best man for this job. And if he is, then he needs to sit up. He needs coaching. Your man needs to be coached. Because Chama is tense too much. He nearly cried. Look at what he said even after the game. I am very sad and I can't go home. I don't even want to go home because when I go, they will see me or I will see them. That's his family. He can't go home because when he goes home, his family will see him. Charlie. Anyway, what are people saying about this situation? We know that he's in a very tough situation, right? Because our former coach, CK Akono, said this recently. He said, as a coach, you draw your list of players you want based on what you want to do, obviously. Obviously, other members of the FA will also bring their views on board, but it was sometimes uncomfortable. I understand that they have to look into it and that football is not done by one person. However, in my case, it wasn't a situation where we were working together. We know that the coach will do the selection, but the FA and its members, everybody has a player. Familiation, sir. So Otoo Addo, he is not in that comfortable situation, but you need to sit up because you are somebody that played for the Black Stars before. So you should be, well aware of some of these internal politics before you come in. And you came first to come and assist somebody, went back, and you were reappointed. So some things you need to be, comfortable with it. And you know how the journalists will also approach you. And this one is not even a Ghanaian issue. In Europe and all parts of the world, between players, between the journalists and coaches, between journalists and players, how the interaction is if you are not performing. So Otoo Addo, you need coaching. And the FA need to sit him up so that you sit up for the job. My name is Xavier. This is So and So. I'm out.